Hi, this is John and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about this 2012 Subaru Outback 3.6R. Now I'm having problems with the car. The car seems to be hesitating and running pretty bad. So I took it to the dealer. They said I have low compression. I took it to my mechanic. He said he found a short in one of the coils. So we're going to do a cold start. We're going to go over to a auto parts store, get some engine restore and some fuel injector cleaner, and we're going to see if that helps. I looked online and they said that that stuff works, so we're going to try it. But let's listen to this cold start. You see the engine is kind of shaky. So that's what the engine sounds like on a cold start. It seems pretty good, but we're going to go ahead and put that stuff in anyway because the car's running a little rough. So I'll see you back at the auto parts store. So you can see the lights are blinking. I got the brake light on, the cruise is blinking, the traction control is on, the check engine light is on, and that blue light is just telling you that the car is cold and it needs to warm up. But I can feel the car shaking from in here. So I'm at the auto parts store and I'm here with this stuff that I got. Check it out. So I went ahead and bought a Restore engine treatment and a Lucas injector cleaner. And I'm going to put it in the oil cap right here. I'm gonna check the oil first and see what it looks like. All right, so there's the oil. Looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. All right, so this, I'm gonna read the directions. It says, shake well before using. Then it says add restore to engine oil and use at every oil change. Well, if it's gonna save the car, it's worth it. So here's the engine restore. I'm gonna put it in my, okay, so I have a funnel here, that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in. Looks grayish, metally looking. Okay, we didn't make a mess. I'm gonna let it all drip out. I dropped the cap. Okay. No. Alright, so put that back over here. Put the cap back on. Oops. I'm gonna check the oil again. I mean, the oil's fresh. I really don't want to go through the trouble of putting a new engine in here because I was hoping this car was gonna last. And it looks like it went up a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put the Lucas in the tank. So here we go. You gotta put this stuff in slow because it kind of drips out. It's pretty thick. Oh, damn it. so I got a whole thing in there. Let's give it a quick start, see how it sounds. Everything's on. Sounds a little better. So it says, everybody says that you got to drive it for like around 200 miles and it should settle down after that, because it's supposed to fill in all the gaps. I'm going to drive this 200 miles. It's still shaking a little bit. Again, I put some premium fuel in there, the Lucas cleaner, this stuff. So let's hope everything works out good and the engine is salvageable and I can keep on driving. This car has 165,000 miles. I just put a new battery. It was $100 bucks. It's got new brakes, new rotors, front and rear. It has new wheel bearings, fresh oil, new spark plugs, new coils. I mean, the car is new. The engine, I've been taking care of the car, and all of a sudden now, since I changed the plugs, I've been getting this problem with the shaking. So I was told that it has low compression and 3 of the cylinders are reading 60, but it's driving. It's driving good. I went to a mechanic. He told me to keep putting premium in it and drive it. I went online, and a lot of people recommending this stuff. It's $6 bucks. It's not going to kill me to try it. So buying these two things is 20 bucks, and I'm going to try it out. So thanks for watching the video. I'll try to get back to you if everything is straightened out, and we'll see how it goes. And peace out. Okay, so the results are in with the Restore and the 2012 Subaru Outback, and unfortunately I have bad news for the Subaru. I think the engine is gone. You can't drive it. I put the Restore, I put that other Lucas fuel treatment in the tank, and it didn't help. The engine might have been just way far too gone for the Restore to do anything to help it. And I'm not sure if Restore actually works with anything. Maybe if you catch it soon enough and you first start experiencing like misfires, you want to use it right away. But once your engine is far gone, it's a waste of money to use that stuff or even try to revitalize your engine. So my options now are to buy a used engine that I found one on eBay, and I'm going to go ahead and buy that engine, put it in the Subaru, and keep driving it. And I'm going to keep you guys updated on the progress of the engine rebuild or the engine install on the Subaru and what's going to happen. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.